Yeah. Starting off with earn by time again. Current rate is $18 an hour. And we got our first order. This is going to be for Krispy Kreme going 8 miles.
Have a good day.
You too.
I'll be right over.
Total ended up being $13, which I don't know if that's actually worth it because I'm pretty far away from my zone. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one's going to be 6 miles. Total for that ended up being $7. And it looks like we might be going right back to that Taco Bell for a 3-mile order. Total ended up being $7.01. And we got the next order right away. This is for Jack in the Box. This one's going to be 3 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on for Kitchen Table Cafe, which is pretty close by. And it's going to be an additional 4 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I just spilled that coffee right on my hand. Luckily, it's not that hot. I can't see a gosh darn thing with the sun in my face. Bruh. Holy, that order ended up being $22. Really big tip. I'm pretty sure it was from this one too. And we got the next order right away. This one's gonna be for Starbucks. It is going 3 miles.
Right here for you.
Did I get like a wet paper towel? I got stuff on my phone I just want to wipe off. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Is this even an exit? I don't think it is. No, it's not, but no one's coming, so it is for me. I'm almost positive this is going to be a no-tip order. Did I call it or did I call it? No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6 and some change. Trash. But at least we got the next order right away. This is for McDonald's. Going 3 miles.
Deliveries? Oh.
Yes.
Just verify.
Thank you. Does anybody know what that flag is? Also, total for that ended up being $7. Next up, we've got a stacked Wendy's. Lucky me. We're heading, I think, less than 5 miles for both of them. They're pretty close together, the drop-offs.
Okay, so this is...
I think they're both Cokes. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yep, there you are.
Have a good day.
You as well. Ooh, someone did not tip on these. I wonder who it was. Total ended up being $13 though. And I just got the next order. This is gonna be for Starbucks, going 3 miles. Yeah, thank you. Total ended up being just under $7. That's disgusting. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going 4.5 miles. Hand it to me. No. Fine. Total ended up being $9 for that one. Just got a stack going to the same person, it looks like. We've got Wendy's and the Human Bean. I think the mileage is going to be like 5.5. Thank you.
Thank you.
This might be a bit of a wait. I'm like the 4th car in line.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, for real? Thank you. Total for that ended up being $19. Damn. We got our first Uber Eats order of the day. This is McDonald's, $8 going 3 miles. And on that note, I think we might just be calling it here. Current time is 10:39. Current total is 101. And I'm just waiting on that last Uber tip to come in, so that should bring it up to like 109, maybe 110. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.